Okay, so here we have the JBL TUNE600 Bluetooth noise cancellation on-ear headphones. Your wireless, pure bass sound and active noise cancellation. So here it says 12-hour playtime with noise cancellation and Bluetooth enabled. Then 30 hours of playtime with noise cancellation and no Bluetooth enabled. And then what else here? Yeah, here it says pure bass, active noise cancellation, hands-free calls, and lightweight. And then here you get 22 hours without noise cancellation but with Bluetooth enabled. Okay, so now let's take a look inside. So we have here the auxiliary cable, so in case you don't want to use Bluetooth, for example like in the airplane, and you want to save some battery power here, gives you like a really good lasting battery. Then here we have the charging cable, standard micro USB to USB cable, comes with pretty much every JBL Bluetooth enabled headphones. Then here the Quickstart guide, showing you pretty much all the basic functions of these headphones, and that includes here a chart that explains like what all the blinking lights mean, so this is really useful. So now let's have a look at the headphones themselves. Here they are. So on-ear headphones. You can rotate them, fold them together, really easy. Various tilting points here, so these are really going to fit your head really nice. Alright. So then outside they say JBL here. Really nice in black, all black. Hard to get this on video actually, so they're so black. And then here the cushion on the top. You can see this here, it's a small area. Then the inside of the earpieces, they say the left and the right side indicators in there. Then here you have the buttons on the right earpiece, volume up, down, stop, and pause. Then you have here the aux jack and buttons to power on and off, and for the active noise cancellation. And then this little hole here, that's the microphone for phone calls. And then here on the top we have the charging port, the micro USB charging port, and the status LED here that indicates when you're charging or when the battery is low. Yeah, okay, so this is it. JBL TUNE600 BTNC. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Also if you have any questions. And don't forget to check out my other JBL videos.